Looking for the best elementary school in Lakeview, Chicago? Welcome to Augustus H. Burley Elementary School, located at 1630 West Berry Street in Chicago, Illinois, 60657. This public school cornerstone of the Lakeview community, providing excellent education and fostering a supportive environment for our students. Hello, my name is Hugo and I'm with Coldwell Banker, and I'm your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. I've been a proud resident of Lakeview since 1987. I had the pleasure of watching our beautiful neighborhood grow and flourish over the years, but more importantly, how Burley has become an exceptional elementary school. All my kids went to Burley. Burley serves students from kindergarten through 8th grade, offering comprehensive educational experience that prepares them for future academic with success. Known for its strong academic programs, Burley has consistently been recognized for its achievements. Burley Elementary has received numerous awards over the years, reflecting its commitment to academic excellence and student development. The school is dedicated to the faculty and staff work tirelessly to ensure that each student receives a high-quality education tailored to their individual needs. The school features a well-maintained playground, providing a safe and fun environment for students to enjoy the recess and physical education classes. Burley also offers a mix of after-school programs, including sports, arts, and academic clubs, designed to enhance the overall learning experience and foster a well-rounded education. These programs not only support academic growth, but also help students develop important life skills such as teamwork, leadership, and creativity. Parents can rest assured that their children are in the safe, nurturing environment even after the regular school hours. Augustus H. Burley Elementary School is highly ranked among Chicago public schools, known for its rigorous curriculum and outstanding student performance. It is a top choice for families in the Lakeview area looking for schools that prioritize both academic excellence and holistic development. As someone who works closely with families looking to settle in Lakeview, I can personally attest to the fantastic reputation that Burley Elementary School has. Burley is one of the many reasons why Lakeview is such a desirable place to live. Whether you're buying or selling a home, knowing that your children have access to a great school like Burley can make a significant difference. If you have any questions about real estate in Lakeview or in the area, or need assistance finding the perfect home, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, when it comes to real estate in Lakeview, I'm your go-to expert. Let's make your next move a great one. Give me a call for a buyer's consultation and more on Lakeview schools, 773-550-4846. And don't forget to like, comment, share our videos, and follow us on social media.